Welcome to the Cody and Jacob Show. Well, we got some letters in the mail from our fans, and figured we'd read them on camera to you guys
just to let you know how great we are.
That's about it.
Yeah.
So let's read the first one.
Our first letter is from Hank from New York City. It says, "Dear Cody and Jacob, you suck." Hank, you suck.
That's just a matter of opinion. They can't all be like that. All right. This one is from Megan from Ontario, Canada. All right. Well, it says, "Dear Cody and Jacob, you guys suck." All right.
Well, we got one more left.
All right. Let's see what this one says. This one's from you. Oh, you wrote a letter. It says, "Dear Cody, you suck." What the hell, man?
You suck?
Da 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 da.